Hi friend, welcome in this episode of Banknifty Trading Grow Like a Gardener. Time tested method, clear strategy, consistent result. In today's topic, I will discuss about one of the important aspect of the trading, that is how to manage losses. I will show you one of the losing trade example today to make you understand how this Banknifty Trading Pro Excel, I am talking about this Excel sheet where we enter data, couple of data over here, open, high, low, close, and ATM. I will show you exactly how to do, and we find trade, the detailed trade plan over here at step 2, and accordingly we find all the trading plan for the day ready with this Excel sheet. Now in today's video I will discuss about how you can manage the losses. So if I take the trade, all the trade for this month of January. Now anyone who wanted the result of the previous year, last year 2020, I will request him to I will request you to download the free Excel guide. The guide, you can find the link under the description. Download the book, and it will not only describe clearly how to use this Excel, but also it discuss about the performance of entire year last year, that is 2020. Now I am talking about January trade. As you can see that in January we have couple of conditions 1, conditions 2, and conditions 3. As you know that this Excel, once we enter the data over here, I will show you exactly how to do. Then we find a plan for the day ready, either conditions 1, 2, or 3. Like a gardener, we want to stay flexible, and that is the reason we should have multiple plan ready. The Excel sheet does the hard work, and it give you the plan for the ready. Once you enter the data over here, I will show you exactly how to do shortly. Now once you find the conditions for the day, then your trade plan is ready over here with the exact order you have to place. It is talking about placing a buy order, and it is talking about placing a sell order. Both the order you have to place, and eventually one of the order will execute, and you will enter the market from the buy side or from the sell side. Based on the philosophy of a gardener, we want to keep ourselves flexible enough. So if the buy order execute, then what will be the target and what is the plan for the day, how we will manage the day, is actually mentioned here clearly. Okay, now let's come to the point. What is the purpose of today's video is to show you one of the losing trade, so that you can understand how we can manage the losing trade. Now so far in January, the first January there was no setup, but rest of the day we had setup, and we have 3 losing trade this month, on 6th, on 7th, and on 11th. On 8th of January, we have more or less a break-even kind of trend, and we have able to capture 3 profit, one of 7725, one of 7800, that was on 4th January and 5th January, and one is on 12th of January. So overall we have 14,350 point profit, but then today I will talk about one of the losing trade and how you can manage the losses. So let me check the losing trade that happened on 6th of January. Now for that, what we have to do is that we have to move back to the date, the 6th of January, and we will see how we can manage the loss in a losing day. Now, managing in a losing day, see, trader success is depend on how he manage a losing trade, how he manage a losing day. Managing profitable trade or managing a profitable day is relatively easy. If you not have a plan ready for managing the losing day or losing trade much before you enter into the trade, then you will not able to be successful. Now I will show you what's happened on the 6th of June, sorry, 6th of January. So as you know that we have to enter the data over here. I am deleting the past data. As I delete the past data, it is not showing anything as there is no data to show. Now I will enter the data. The simple data we have to enter is the first 15-minute candle open, high, low, close. So on the 6th of January, I will put the cursor over here and I will note down the open that was 31,875 and the high that was 31,950 and the low that is 31,798.25. Always enter till 2 digit, and the close that is 31,896.95, and the ATMA. The ATMA data was here. So once I put the cursor on the first candle, the ATMA appears 31,771.28. That's it. We have entered data. Now we have to move to the step 2, and in step 2 we have find that it was conditions 1 because it says yes, and it also says check the conditions 1 tab. Now what we have to do, we have to move to condition 1 tab. There is condition 1, conditions 2 and conditions 3 tab, 3 different plan. Once we move to the conditions 1, it is saying that place a buy order at 31953. So let me draw a horizontal line to understand exactly where 31953. Okay, let me change this value to 31953. 31953. Okay, and it also says place a sale order at 31795. Okay, fine, I have to place a sale order too. So suppose the sale order you can place just a minute, horizontal line. Okay, so change this value. The value will be 3131795, and if I change the color for our benefit, and I have changed the color, and so that's it. So the red line that is at 31795, as the Excel says, uh, we have placed a sale order at that red line, and we have placed a buy order at 31953. Here it is the blue line. Now as you can understand, shortly after our buy order has executed over here, and it says exit if buy order trigger at 3:15. That means it says that if the buy order is triggered, which was the case on the 6th of January, then the exit plan is to exit the trade at 3:15. Yes, it's alternatively given as a alternative target if buy order trigger. This is a conservative approach at 32209. Now, this candle high is 32089. So, as you can see that neither this target achieved. And so naturally we are holding till 315, but eventually market moves in our favor, but then comes down, and our pending sell order. Remember, at the beginning we have placed two order, one buy order at this blue line and one sell order at this red line. Once this buy order was executed, your sell order at the red line was remain pending condition, and that always remain active, although pending, but remain active to act as a stop loss order. So shortly after that the market goes down and our sell order has been executed. So with this, in this trade we have a loss, and on 6th of January we have entered around 3950 and we exit at 31795. That give us 158 point loss or 3950 loss. So as you can understand, this Excel is very carefully designed, so that you can plan your loss before you enter the trade. And as I always tell, that it is very important to manage or plan a losing trade, or how you will exit the trade if the losses happen much before you enter the trade. Like a gardener, you know that all these seeds will not eventually turn into the plant. Some will convert into a tiny plant and some will not. How you will manage your losing trade matters most. Thank you so much for your time. I will come out with next update and lot of more perspective how to trade with this Bank Nifty Trading Pro 2.10 Excel effortlessly in future. Thank you so much. Take care.